Hi, what's your name?
Vito.
How old is Vito?
How is your mommy?
How old is Vito?
2 minutes. I
Okay.
am 2 years old.
Okay, very good. Now, let's read some words. Where do you want to start? How about we start here? Can you read this word? What does it say?
Well, we see there were some things here with it.
What's the next word? Brilliant. You point to the word. You point to the word. Okay, this one. Slowly.
About talking this goodbye. Or we sit.
This. Goodbye. This one.
Sister, shop, mother. Exciting.
Exciting. Very good. How about this word? What does it say?
Fool.
Awful. Yeah, that's awful. Okay, now let's look for the word. Where is the word seaside? Look for the word seaside. Do you see the word seaside? Where is it? Very good. How about the word brilliant? Brilliant. Very good. How about the word table? Where's the word table?
Table.
Okay. Now let's go with the... What are the next words?
Hospital.
Hospital? Okay, that's a hospital. Where is the word above?
Above.
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 Look for the word above. Very good. Now, can you read the following words? Now, here.
Above.
Above. How do you spell above? Go.
A-B-O-V-E.
How do you spell talking?
T-O-T-A-I
L-K.
I-N-G.
Very good. Talking. How do you spell nearly? Nearly.
N-E-A-R-L-E. Why?
Why? Very good. Nearly. Okay. Let's count off. What number is this?
1.
1.
1 is that. 2 double 1. 3 that's 12. 4 are pat. 5 riba. 6 are ring. 7 pito. 8 wawo. Sayam.
Sham.
Ya. 9 ayam.
Okay.
And 10 shampoo.
Very good. 10 shampoo. Okay, now let's go with the colors now. Okay, let's start off with the color. What color is this in English?
Itim.
Itim. And what's that in English?
Black.
Very good. Next.
Violeta.
Okay, what color is that in English?
Blue.
No, that's violet.
Violet.
Okay.
Green.
No, that's not green. Read it. Read it.
Abuhin.
Abuhin is color
Color green.
gray. Okay, how about this one? What color is that?
Kamanji. Brown.
Brown. How about this one?
Azure. Blue.
That one you're holding. Okay, this one. Okay, here.
Pwede green. Yellow. Diwaw. Yellow.
Okay.
Kahel pula.
Kahel, pula. What's kahel in English?
Orange.
Okay, how about pula?
Pula. Red.
Red. Okay, what's the last one? This one. What's that?
Puti. White.
Puti is white. Very good. Now, you want to do some spelling? I have some pictures here, and you tell me what it is. You sit down in Jollibee. Go, go, go. Sit. Sit on your chair. Okay. Pull your chair. Okay, sit down. Okay, say bye first to everyone. We'll make another video. Hey, look here.